Right, hello there everyone and welcome back to another video here on the JB Visuals YouTube channel, where today I'm actually back here on Great Yarmouth seafront, and yes, I'm going to be visiting Joyland today, which is sort of right behind me here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's literally the green mountain in the background. So you know, we're going to have a nice little short visit to Joyland, film some brand new on my POVs. It's also the first day of the season, so we'll get on those rides, the Snails, the Tubs, the Spook Express coaster, the jet cars, and of course the Neptune's Kingdom Dark ride as well. And then after I've been to Joyland, I'm then going to make another vlog and then head over to the Britannia Pier, which is literally just next door, which have also got some new changes for this year as well. So without further ado, let's get into Joyland and go on to some rides. So here's what Joyland looks like. You can just see the green mountain in the background. It's literally right in the middle of the seafront here in Great Yarmouth. And then of course you've got the Britannia Pier, which is actually next door. And then of course you've also got the Spook Express coaster on the mountain, which isn't going around at the moment, but obviously we'll get some shots. Oh, there it goes. There it goes, good timing that was. It's quite a cold day as well, so there's a lot of people wearing coats, including myself, so yeah. Without further ado, let's get into Joyland. So here's a little look at the prices here. So we've got, so all rides are £1 token, £2 each. And then we've got the super value bags, £20 bag is 12 tokens, and the £40 bag is 25 tokens. And if we come in here, we've got the park. Really nice view, always love coming back here every year. So here we are then, so we've got the Spook Express coaster. I think we're going to do that first, I think. We'll have a little go on it, I think.
You just took the tag out.
Here we go then, so here's the coaster. It's quite a good one actually. It's very, very fast in the dark tunnel, and then of course you've got the tubs in the background just there. Yeah, that's good, it's a good little coaster. Goes around twice. And here's the view of the park. And then of course over here you've got the main shopping street as well. Just over there. Oh, here coming. Looks like I've actually done some work on the tubs as well this year, painting them all different colours. Good ride. Very smooth. Good little coaster this one, this. Nice and thrilling as well. Right, it's time for a ride on the Super Snails now. Which are here. And here they are. All different colours here. It's been operating since 1949. And you also get your on-ride photo as well. Right, here we go on the Snails. Looks like I've done some work on this over this year. Got some little ornaments. Nice view of the coaster from up here. Yeah, they've added some new ornaments around here. Looks really, really nice. Much better than it used to be. Added all different lights around here as well. They've cut the trees back. Yeah, looking very fresh. Hopefully we'll make it all the way around. taking it. Yeah, these look really nice. All different names. You've got a hen, I think. Got a little ornament here. Yeah, I'm really pleased with this. It's also a good job they've done then to the snails. And all these different garden ornaments. And here you got some more. I think they're like bird baths, I think, I'm not sure, but yeah, nice ride on the snails. Lovely. Thank you very much. So you've got a few other rides around here. You've got the little spinning ride just onto the left here. And then you've got the Ferris wheel, which is right over here. It's looking really nice in the sunshine as well. But yeah, speaking of more rides, we're actually going to be heading on to Neptune's Kingdom, which is the little dark ride I've got here. It's really, really nice. I've added some more changes over the past few years, and I'm looking forward to seeing it all over again. Here we go then on Neptune's Kingdom. This dates back to 1974. And it's looking really nice for its age. They've actually done loads of changes in here, all nice and fresh. Restored some of the scenes, there's animatronics in here. Here I've got the octopus. You've got the old tunnel of lights, still here. I like all the artwork as well, it's really nice. There you are, got the shark. There we go, skeleton's working again. There he is. And there he is, there's King Neptune. You alright, Neptune? Oh, watch out for the pirate. Right, so next up is an absolute classic here at Joyland, and I actually really like this ride. It's actually the world's only operating Virginia reel, and it's the Tubs. And this year they've got new designs. So you've got one that has like squares and diamonds and rectangles, and then you've got this one which has like stripes on it. But yeah, they're looking really nice. Absolutely brilliant. Nice to see some improvements to the park this year so far. Yeah, there you go. Get a nice closer shot on this one. Looking really good, nice and fresh as well. Here we go, time for a spin. Again, this is looking fresh as well with the oh, I'm trying to get it, the waterfall. Yeah, that's nice and fresh. Nice and sunny today as well. Got to try and hold on really tightly now. It does throw you around a lot. Here we go. Oh, this is so much fun. I love it here. Got to hold on. We're getting a bit of a spin. And there we go, nice spin. There's the fountain there. yeah, I actually had an absolutely awesome, lovely Saturday morning here in Joyland. I really enjoyed it. Staff have been friendly as always, and it's so nice to see so many improvements for this season, especially with the snails. I wasn't expecting to see so many new ornaments, but yeah, they just appeared, and yeah, they did a really good job decorating the garden and that, and I hope it actually looks more nicer in the summer with all the flowers as well. But yeah, there was like bird baths, there was animal ornaments as well, you know, just giving that classic ride how it used to look sort of back in the heydays, to be honest. And of course we also had some new designs of the tubs, which were very impressive as always. But yeah, thank you so much, and yeah, really friendly staff as always, and the prices are very cheap as always as well, so it's not too expensive, and you really get some good rides in Joyland. But yeah, that is it then for this short vlog from Joyland. Speaking of vlogs, I'm actually going to be heading to Britannia Pier, which is just behind me, and we've actually got some new changes to have a look at as well, including the fun fair and a few other additions around the front. So yeah, that's actually going to be coming up in the next few days, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's it then from Joyland. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video very soon. Take care, and remember, keep on filming and keep on editing. Bye for now.